Yeah, hello everyone. Once again, welcome. So this is our day one session. So in this session, actually, so we are going to discuss about that one, that Azure data engineering concepts. So why cloud computing? So what is cloud computing? Why cloud computing? What is cloud computing? What is Azure? So all those things actually we are going to discuss. See, nowadays, you know that when all the companies actually every maximum, you can say every company or maximum companies, the companies migrating into the cloud technologies. Why they are migrating into the cloud? So what is that cloud? So this is what we are going to discuss in this our day one session. So first we will discuss about that one. Why cloud computing? Why cloud computing? To understand this one, so we will take that scenario. See here, imagine the person actually he is the businessman, he is the investor. He's thinking to launch or start that one startup organization like social media application, developing social media application like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, like this type of application is planning to develop. So here, so here he's investor, but he doesn't have any idea about that application or technologies. Because if you are going to develop that any of the application means, you know that one server will be involved, data storages will be involved, security part will be involved, the infra team. We need that infra team. We need that development team. All these things actually we need it. But as an investor, he doesn't have any technical things. So technical knowledge. So here, if you are going to implement that one new application, or if you are going to start up that new organization means a lot of challenges are there. So the challenges, see here, we are we have to face the challenges. A lot of challenges are there. We have to face the challenges. Imagine facing the challenges and fixing the solution and develop the application. Just imagine we developed that application and we launched that application. If you are going to launch that application means we need that high setup cost. The beginning itself, we need that high setup cost. We have to put that initial investment amount to set that all the setups, the environment, recruiting the resources, developers, all the things, right? So we imagine it, we have all the things and we launch that application. The application started. The application is now available. They started to use it. They started to use it. So here, the users counts are getting increasing day by day. The users counts are getting increasing day by day, right? If it is getting increasing means you need data storages. Already you are having the storages. In the beginning, actually, you have some beginning level minimum storage account, minimum storage memory. You are having that one. But the data are day by day getting increasing. Then what you have to do? You have to increase the memory size. You will face the challenges, the application. So user issues, they may raise that one. If they're raising the issues means what you have to do, you have to fix that one. If you want to fix that means you need the resource. You need the resource, right? So here you have to recruit the more resource because the beginning you may get that resource very few amount of resources for the development and supporting. But daily, day by day, that applications are started to use that many people, then users counts are getting increasing, issues also getting increasing. to face that issues, to fix that issues, or to respond for the issues, you need that more resources than you're recruiting resources. So you have to recruit more resources. You have to increase that memory size. You have to increase that your security features. All the things actually you have to increase it. More resources you have to recruit if that application is successfully running means. So these are going to be challenges. So initial level investment is, if it is one of the challenges, means after launching that one, so some different types of challenges you are going to face it. You have to plan it accordingly, right? So a lot of challenges are there. Then he planning to meet that experts who already having that experience to launch that startup. So the IT specialist with a huge experience implementing new products and understand the product implementation lifecycle and challenges. So he is planning to discuss with that experts. So he meet that experts and discussing, and after getting that all the information, that expert suggesting to go with the cloud. This is nice. So he's suggesting to go with the cloud because cloud having a lot of features, but he doesn't have any idea about the cloud. He doesn't have any idea about the cloud. So she's explaining what is the benefits of cloud computing, what is the advantage and disadvantage. So what is the disadvantage of on-premises? What is the advantages of cloud? She's comparing. Suppose if you are going to follow that our old method, the traditional way, that on-premises data center, if you are going to use that means you have to create that your own data center first. That means you have to purchase that own server first. You have to purchase that your own software first. So you have to do that all the network setup in the beginning itself. Everything you have to do it in the beginning itself. Then only you can start that your development, right? For arranging all these setups, actually, you need that lot of cost amount initial. Initially, you need this amount. Some higher upfront cost of setup, you have to put it as a initial investment amount. Because you have to arrange that all these setups, all these environments, you have to do it. At the same time, if you are going with the cloud environment means pay-as-you-go model, no upfront cost. What is this? I don't want to purchase that any server beginning itself. I don't want to purchase that memory. I don't want to purchase that any software. Whatever I need, one by one, I can get it. Slowly, I can increase that one. If you want to increase the memory, I can increase. If you want to reduce the memory, I can reduce. If you want to purchase that any softwares while I'm developing, yes, I can purchase it. If you want to add that any of the some extra features while developing, yes, you can add it. You don't want to purchase it anything the beginning itself. Whenever you need at that time, you can purchase it. Whatever you are going to use it, based on that one, you can pay for it. This is called pay-as-you-go model. You don't want to put that high amount in the beginning itself. Whatever you need, you can purchase it and then you can pay it. Whatever you are going to use it, you can use it and then you can pay for it. This is the concept of cloud technology. But here, on-premises means the beginning itself, you have to put that your initial amount, right? And here, in the on-premises environment, nowadays, the on-premises data server we are using, right? Data center we are using, that updates, if you are going to do it, anything means you have to plan for the downtime. You have to update. You have to update manually. You have to update manually. So here, no automatic updates in the on-premises, no automatic updates. You have to do it manually. But in the cloud, automatic software updates. Actually, if any updates are coming, means automatically it will be updated. You don't worry about that updates. The updates it will take care by that service provider. Suppose if you are using that Azure cloud, means Microsoft will take care of all the updates. Amazon, if you are using, means Amazon, AWS, Amazon, they will take care of that updates. Google Cloud, Google take care of that updates. See here, on premises, you have to take care of. It's your responsibility. And lack of flexibility to upgrade. If you are going to upgrade the version 1 to version 1.1, if you are going to upgrade, means it is not an easy task in the on-premises. So a lot of things you have to analyze it. What are the things going to be impact? Everything you have to analyze it. You have to take the backup. So you have to do that updates. So for the update, you have to upgrade that version. You have to plan for the downtime again. A lot of things you have to teach. See that version upgrade, it should not impact that your existing application. So a lot of things you have to analyze it. So you have to plan it. So it is not going to be easy task. So lack of flexibility. But here in the cloud environment, nothing to do. High flexibility to upgrade within few clicks. If you need that upgrade, means just click this version what you want to upgrade. Automatically it will upgrade it. It will not impact anything that existing one. Everything it will take here by that your service provider. So here on-premises data center, it's your data center. Then you have to appoint the dedicated staff for the data center maintenance purpose because it's yours, right? See here, in the cloud environment, no staff required to maintain the data center since cloud service provider will maintain data center. They will take care of that maintenance. Globally, they are having the data center. Everything it will take care by that your service provider like a Microsoft, like Amazon, right? So data cannot be accessed from the remote if it is on premises, but here in the cloud environment, data can be accessed remotely over internet using the web portal. You can access from anywhere. You can access from anywhere. Then only the internet connection you need it. Now we got clarity about the cloud technology. He's planning to go with the cloud. So for the startup business, cloud is the very good option. So he's okay with that one. Now we got idea about the cloud technology, why companies are moving into the cloud. But technically, we want to understand that one. What is the cloud? What are the things are available in the cloud computing? We should understand the cloud computing. So we are going to categorize in the two way. One is that cloud computing types and services. Types of cloud computing. What are the types of cloud computing are available? See here. We are having public cloud. We are having public cloud. What is the meaning of public cloud? Public cloud means anyone can create the cloud account and they can use that one. Here, Amazon, AWS, it's a public cloud. Azure, it's a public cloud. Google, Google Cloud Platform, it's a public cloud. Snowflake, it's a public cloud, right? Cloud, anyone can create the account. You are working in the company A, I am working in the company B. Our both company, they are using the cloud. They are using the Azure cloud. Yes. Azure, we can use it. It is not only for my company or it is not only for your company. Anyone can access, can create the account globally. The public cloud. Private cloud, it's a private. Individual persons, if they're using their own cloud, it's a private cloud. Public cloud is public cloud. So anyone can account. Private cloud. For example, I want to use the my cloud features, all the benefits of cloud. I want to use it at the same time. At the same time, I don't want to use that other cloud service providers, data centers like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. I need that cloud benefits. Advantage of cloud, all I want to take it, but I don't want to go with the public service provider. I need that my own cloud, like my on-premises, my own cloud. Yes, I can create that my own cloud. You can have that your own data center. That data center you can access globally, anywhere from anywhere. You can access it. It depends upon that business. So benefits of cloud, if you want to use it at the same time, you don't want to share that your data with a third party like your public providers, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. Then you can go with that your private cloud. So it depends upon the business and the hybrid cloud. Hybrid combination of public and private. Some of the functions you may use it in the public cloud, some of the functions you may use it in that your private cloud environment. It depends upon the business. You can decide whether you want to go with that public or private or hybrid. Three types of cloud computing features are available in the market. What do you want to use it? It depends upon that your business management, your project going to decide what type of cloud computing we are going to use it, right? Then cloud services. Yes, cloud computing, fine. These are the cloud computing service types are available. But what are the services available in the cloud? Any cloud, whether it is public cloud or private cloud, but what are the services are available? Services means what? See, first we'll see that one. Totally, we are having three services. One is that IaaS. IaaS. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. Okay. Another one, platform as a service. Okay. Third one, software as a service. What is this? Infrastructure as a service. So just for your understanding, simple understanding, I'm telling you. See, imagine you are purchasing that one laptop, new laptop, with a 1 TB configuration, storage, 1 TB. So i7. Okay. So here you are having i5, i7, whatever it is. So processor you are having, and you are purchasing 1 TB hard disk. Okay. But here you did not purchase that any OS. The DOS prompt only available. You can decide what type of OS you are going to use it, whether you are going to use that Microsoft OS or you are going to use that Unix or Ubuntu. You can decide it. You can do the configurations. You can split that one. You can install the software, whatever you need, based on that your project. Everything you have to do it. You have to be like this in the cloud environment. You can purchase one environment. You can install that OS. You can split that your storages. You can install that software. You can install that software. So here, IaaS means it is going to be one environment. Inside of that environment, only the network only is going to be there. In that network, you have to do that all type of configurations, including that your OS installation, OS and the software installation, partitions, everything you have to do it. Everything you can do it based on that your requirement. No, actually, I don't want to do it like this one. Actually, I need that one environment with the existing software. All required software should be installed. I want to start the development directly. Then you can go with that PaaS, platform as a service. Software and behind the software, virtual machine and all the required configurations, everything should be available by default whenever I'm opening that application or that software. I want to start the development. Do you have that any features like this? Yes, it is called the PaaS, platform as a service. For example, the database perspective, I'm telling you, I want to use that database SQL server directly without installing anything. I want to create the database directly. I want to create the database and I want to create the table. I don't want to do it any installation. I don't want to do it any of the partitions, or I don't want to do it any of them. So system setups, nothing to do that one. Directly, I want to start that one. Is it possible? Yes, you can do it. You can do it using the PaaS, platform as a service. Platform as a service. Right? So here, platform as a service, you are going to have that all the required softwares and directly you can start that development. Directly you can start that development. And SaaS, software as a service. Software as a service. See here, the software as a service. Already developed application available. You have to purchase it and then you can use it. You can use it. For example, simple understanding, I'm telling you that Office 365. Office 365, ready-made application. You are purchasing it, MS Office, MS Word, online, it's available, right? Outline, Office 365. Sorry, Outlook. Outlook online application only. It's a cloud application only. You are not going to develop it. Some of that were timesheet applications, fresh team. But something it will be that cloud based, something it will be on-premises based. So here, the on-premises, sorry, cloud basis, Office 365 is for cloud basis. Worksheet, the Google Worksheet, it's a cloud application. Actually, you are going to use that application. You are not going to develop anything in that application. Directly, you are going to use that application. SaaS, software as a service. Software as a service. Even Snowflake having that software as a service as well as platform as a service. Salesforce CRM application. So a lot of cloud applications are available. So you can purchase it and then you can use it. So cloud services, three types of services are available. One is only environment. You have to set up all the environment setups, including OS and software installation. Another one service is platform as a service. Required software will be available. You can start to use that one for your development. Directly you can start the development. And the software as a service. Developed application. Application developed, already developed. You can start to use it. You can start to use it. So based on that, your business, you can get it. You can get it, right? See, IaaS means only the environment, the network environment only available. So data center, physical plant, and networking, server and storage, everything available. So here you have to install that you have to create that your virtual machine, you have to install that OS, and you have to install that software, then you have to use that one. But if it is platform as a service means, along with these setups, OS and record software development tools, everything it will be available directly. You can start it, start to develop it, right? So here, the software as a service. Software as a service means using all of these things, developed application, the ready-made application will be available. Directly, you can start to use that one. Okay, these are the services. Then what is Azure? Azure is nothing but a cloud computing service. Azure is nothing but a cloud computing service created by the Microsoft where user can create the servers, storage systems, databases, extra using an online portal. And Microsoft will maintain the data centers or physical infrastructure. Every environment maintenance, it will be taken by physical infrastructure, Microsoft. Now he got clear idea about what is cloud computing and why cloud computing, everything he got clear idea. So he planned to go with that Microsoft Azure. Okay. So the Microsoft Azure, if you're going to work, means yes, the Microsoft Azure cloud. So nowadays that 95% of Fortune companies actually they are using. And so every year they are spending this $1 billion for the production security purpose. Security purpose, actually, they are spending $1 billion. And fastest growing cloud. Okay, so and we can create this cloud account free of usages. Actually, the trial account you can use it, but that trial account it will be available for the 30 days. After that one, you have to upgrade into that pay as you go. So learning purpose, you can use that free trial account for the first 30 days. After that one, you have to upgrade into that pay as you go. Even the pay as you go, you can control it within this 500 rupees, 300 rupees, depends upon that your usages. I'll guide you how to handle it, how to manage it within 500 or 600, 700 like this. You have to be very conscious when you're working with that pay as you go model. Free trial, it's not a problem. Free trial, it is going to be used for the 30 days only. So if your guys group of people means I will guide you. So how to use one by one. Actually, you guys don't create same time. Because one account, if you are going to create means one account cannot be used by that one user within the 30 days. So they will credit some amount. That amount you cannot utilize within that within the 30 days period. So that you guys share it yourself. Account one, you can create it and can share it. So others, once the first account is expired, then second person create that another account. So in that way, so you can create that account one by one. In that order, if you're creating means, so until you're completing that your hands-on experience, that overall experience, so you can use that free trial account. Okay. So that one I will guide you how to create that one. Now you guys try to answer this first question, which of the following is an example of PaaS service offering by Azure Platform as a Service? The Azure SQL database, the Azure virtual machine, the Azure SQL database or Azure virtual machine. Anyone can try that one. Under the PaaS, which one will come? Azure SQL database or Azure virtual machine? Azure SQL database or Azure virtual machine? Any try?
Virtual machine.
Virtual machine.
Actually, that virtual machine do not contain OS and all. We only going to install OS. I go with Azure SQL database.
So yes, Azure SQL database is the answer, right answer. Because platform as a service means we can start the development directly using that application. We don't want to install anything. Actual virtual machine means it is the virtual machine. In that machine, you have to install that your OS, install that your software, everything you have to do it. Then it will come under that infrastructure as a service. Right? Azure SQL database means it's a SQL database server. So directly you can start the development, database related things, you can start that one. So here the answer is Azure SQL database. Right, next one. If an organization doesn't want to let the data, that organization leave that company premises, but also want to benefit from the cloud, then what is the amount following is best suited, public cloud or private cloud? So they don't want to let the data the third party place. They don't want to allow the data to use the public place. Then which one will be fine? Which type of cloud?
Private cloud.
Private, actually here we can use the private cloud only because they don't want to use that.
Let the data out. Yeah.
Public cloud.
Let the data out. No? So public they don't want to use it. Then it's obviously private only.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, this is a concept. Fine. So these are basic things about that cloud technology and Azure. Okay. So in the next session, we will discuss that one, how we can create that SQL database. First few sessions, we will discuss about that Azure SQL concept we will discuss. How to create the SQL database in the Azure platform, how to create the tables, how to create the users in this our Azure platform, that Azure database actually. So the Azure SQL related things we will discuss the first few sessions. Later, we will get into that Azure Data Factory. Then we will get into that Databricks themselves. In that way, we will go. Okay. So what is Azure SQL database? How to create that one? So all these things, the hands-on part. So I will show you how to log in into that our Azure portal. In the portal, how to create that one. And one more thing I want to remember you guys don't create that account immediately. Okay. Because first 5-6 classes, SQL related things only we are going to learn it. This part, we can use it, the free account. The free account, we can use it. I will show you how to create that free account. Okay. After this SQL part, whenever we are getting into that data factory, at that time only, we need that our actual subscription. The subscription, which you are going to create using that our credit card and your email ID, right? That account. So that account we can create after few classes. So nowadays for coming 5-6 classes, you guys don't want to create that account. I will tell you how to use that free Azure SQL database. Okay. You can save 5-6 days. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. So this one we will discuss that our next session. Now you guys, if you're having that any doubts or clarification means you can ask me. First thing, are you able to understand what I have explained so far? I need that answer. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sure.
it's clear.
So you are able to understand what I'm explaining, right?
Yes.
Because you guys, you are totally new to this technology. So that understanding is very important. Whatever the scenarios we are going to take it. So that explanation should be understandable. So I'm going to explain in this way only, but you will get more clarity whenever we are having that our scenarios, because the hands-on ways only I'm going to explain everything. So you can understand more. But this session we have discussed everything theoretical only. If you guys are able to understand this part very clearly means, then surely you can understand more in our regular sessions, that hands-on parts. That's what I'm checking with you. Okay. Yeah, now you can ask your queries if you have any doubts or clarification needs.
We talked about this version upgrades in on-premise databases, right?
Mhm.
So when it comes to cloud, during these version upgrades, do we have to go through the downtimes in
So
cloud?
downtime, actually, we are not going to follow anything in the complicated level like an on-premises.
Okay.
So it is
I
not
mean,
going to impact.
it is not going to
Because that
impact.
upgradation, it will take care by that Microsoft. So when you're log out today and when you're log in tomorrow, it will be different. Automatically, it will be updated.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Is there any chance of losing data while hydrating or creating pipelines?
If it is losing means it because of you only.
Okay.
Because Microsoft, they will not lose anything.
Okay, if it is stored in cloud, then it will not lose anything. If it is
Okay.
on-premises to cloud,
On-premises to cloud migrations actually, so we are going to do that one. So we are going to write the logic only. So if it is losing means then we have to analyze that our logic.
okay, then we have to rerun it again.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
That thing actually you're asking like this one. I'm loading that 1 million record. So 50,000 for 50% of million record is loaded. and remaining 50% of data is missed in that our on-premises itself, then what I want to do this time? This is your question, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we
And
have
the
to we
other,
have to define the logic for this scenario. We have that one scenario for one session we are having for this scenario.
and there is no chance of losing data on cloud.
No, we will not lose anything in that cloud.
Okay.
Otherwise, nobody will move into the cloud, right?
Mhm.
That responsibility, everything it will take care by that service provider. That's it.
Okay.
Actually, I have one minor doubt about cloud.
Yeah.
If I run small scale industry, small scale IT company means I have more than enough to handle with 1 TB and 2 TB itself. If need, how to access the cloud? If
You can purchase that
uh,
your own account, then you can use it. And the storage also, you can decide it first. For example, if you want to get that 1 TB only in the beginning, means you can get that 1 TB. Later, you are thinking like this when you're growing and you need that extend that one. The scalability is available here. The scalability is the major advantage of going with the cloud. So you can increase that cloud storages and you can decrease the cloud storages based on that your business. So that
actually
feature is
that's not my doubt. Within computer itself, you need to access cloud or tablet or
anywhere
iPad,
you can access
cell
because
phone.
that you are not going to store it in your local machine. It's going to be stored in that your cloud storage only. So you can access and view from your mobile.
Okay, so this is my minor doubt.
So you are not going to store it in that your local machine. If you are storing in the local machine, it will be called on premises. So your business data,
It,
you are going to store it in that on cloud environment like US, UK, India, somewhere. It is not going to be in that your local machine.
it's like simple website like Facebook, Instagram, handling our videos and photos.
Yeah, you can, as of now, just for understanding, you can take it like that. Yes.
Okay, so thank
Yeah. Any other doubts?
Right now, no, sir.
Okay.
I'm good.
Then it's
I think
fine. So then for the day 2 session, tomorrow, same time, we will connect and we will see that one, how we can create that our SQL database, that our Azure portal. Okay.
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 Bye. Thank you all.
Thank you.